Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some Happy Mail with you guys. This package is from my friend Nikki. I'm going to have all her information down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. She's super talented, and I love the way she crafts. So you guys definitely should go and follow her and tell her that Lily sent you. So we agreed upon doing a summer swap quite some time ago. I still have to work on a few things for her because, as you guys know, I am super duper behind on Happy Mail, but she wanted to still send it out, and I am so excited. I actually missed the package and I had to pick it up at the post office today, so I did that after work. And yeah, let's open it up. I only opened it up here. I do not know what is inside. I haven't seen anything, so it's a surprise to me as well. So let's get on with it. I'm gonna open up the box and see how it looks, and then we'll remove everything because this is too close for comfort. And I just covered her info right here. So let's dig in, you guys. Any day with Happy Mail is a good day. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see all these goodies? Oh my god, look at all the confetti. And oh my god, this is so much. You guys, she had posted that she found these and she agreed to include it in my swap with her. Look how fun this is. I think she got these for like super cheap. And she told me she was going to send me a few bags. Look at this. This is so fun. But you guys, imagine this like all over the floor, like in a piñata. I would die. I'm so OCD that I would just be thinking about the whole time having to clean that. Is that just me? Like, I look at stuff like this and I'm like, oh my god, the cleanup is so real. Cute little card. We'll look at that off camera. I love all the gold shred. Look at this. Oh my god, this package looks so fun. Okay, you guys saw the way the package looks. I'm going to move the box and take everything out. So we have the confetti bags. I'm definitely going to save that gold shred. I love it when I get sent this gold shred because I always keep it. My friend Solange always sends me gold shred. How cute. She wrapped everything up. Oh my god, you guys. I see a big jar. I'm like so excited right now. I literally just got home from work. Literally put dinner on the stove. And I rushed to film this video because I definitely wanted to film it. And I didn't want to look through it and then like film it because you never get the reaction that you really got when you film like that. Oh my god, look at this cute little piñata. Oh, how cute is that? Is that a piñata? It's like the little L. Oh my god, I'm so putting this on my desk. Okay, Lily, be patient. Don't look through everything yet. Take it out of the box. Oh my god, you guys, you don't know. She is so talented. I've seen her work and I love it. Oh my god. There's so much in here. Girl, you done outdid yourself. I'm kind of glad that I haven't sent yours out yet because at least I know what you sent me. And I can send you back the same. Oh my god. Another bag of confetti. I am like confettied, stocked up. Look at all this. Are you guys looking at all this amazing mail? And I am so loving my new quality on my videos. Comment down below if you guys like my new quality because I'm obsessed. You guys, look at this. More confetti in a jar with a gold spoon. Is she serious? This is totally going to stay like this, and it's going to be like a decor piece in my craft room. For sure. Another bag. Totally hooked it up. Oh my god. I think this fell off from somewhere, but I'm not sure where. I think it was here. And there's one. I think I got everything out. Let me move. Yep. Look at the green tissue paper. You guys know that that is my color. All right, let's dig into this goodness. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. So she sent me 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of confetti. Thank you so much. I don't think I need confetti for like about a year. And there's more in here. I love this so much. Oh my God. I cannot even deal. This is so cute. Oh my God. I can't deal. It's adorable. I love that gold spoon. She sent me this cute little notepad set. It's got the little watermelon guy with the little glasses and the cute little pen. So cute. I'm curious to see what this is. Take out of the container slowly. Isn't it so fun when you have like directions? Is that just me? Like, open this last. Okay. Take it out slowly. I'm nervous. Because you know when they tell you like, don't walk there, it makes you want to walk there. So it's like, take it out slowly and I want to tear it apart. All right, maybe I should get my scissors. Let's see. What is this? I'm totally gonna save that note too. Is that just me? I'm weird like that. All right, how does this work? Am I supposed to, wait. Nikki, what is this? I'm like confused. What is this? I know there's got to be something in here, and I feel like I'm doing it wrong, maybe? Maybe this comes up? Oh, Nikki, I think... Oh, wait, I think I'm supposed to pull on the pom-poms? Maybe? Is that how that goes? Oh my God, I don't know how to do this. Maybe I should get... Let me see. Let's see what we got here. I feel like there's something in here and I have to lift this up. And I'm like being totally clueless right now. It says take out of the container slowly. You guys, I wish you guys can like talk to me and tell me how to do this because I don't know how to do this. Okay, we're gonna just have to leave this and I'm gonna have to like totally hit up Nikki and wait. Oh my God, if I'm messing this up, I am so sorry. But I'm confused. Wait, let me try to lift this up. You guys, this is real time for you. I'm totally wanting to lift this with my teeth. And I totally did. I opened it! It's pom-poms. Oh my God, I think I pulled it too... Did I pull it too hard? No, I don't think I did. Wait a minute. Is she for real? You guys, it's like a... What do you call these? Oh my God, I lost my train of thought right now because I'm so excited. I wanted one of these. It's like those little banner things. Girl. Oh my God. I cannot even deal. This is so cute. How did you make this? Oh my God. This is so cute. I can't even do. Are you guys even looking at this? This is gonna look so cute in my room. If you guys have seen my craft room, my room is color. I love this. Oh my God, girl. You are amazing. Amazing. I love this. This made the whole package. Oh my God. This is so fun. This is totally going on my Instagram picture, like by itself. It needs like a picture alone by itself. It's beautiful. Thank you. Oh my gosh. You guys, look, she sent me face masks. Like a whole stack. I don't want to open it because I haven't taken any pictures. And you guys know I need my pictures. Look at this. She sent me 4 face masks. And I don't have any of these. I love it when I get sent stuff that I don't have. It's so exciting. Even though I appreciate everything. But when you get something that you don't own, it's like, I'm not using you ever. She sent me these cute little gel clings. Oh, I'm totally putting these on my window. How cute, little ice creams. Aren't they adorable? You could totally use these on craft projects too. These are so cute. She packaged up some cute little Project Life cards. I love the packaging, girl. You outdid yourself. Cute little tags. I love this little, oh, it's a magnet. I'm like clueless. Don't mind me, you guys. I've been working all day. I'm like mentally exhausted. And oh my God, it's a magnet. I know where I can put this, you guys. I can put this on my Raskog cart, because I could, like, with the magnet. Love it. Is this up? Oh my God, you guys, when I get Happy Mail, my daughter always asks, did you get candy? Wait till she sees this piñata. Look at this. It's a watermelon. And it's so heavy. I wish you guys can feel how heavy this is. And it's stuffed with candy. I die. You're freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at this piñata. Did you make this? Oh my God, if you made this, girl, teach me. Oh my God, candy. That just completes like any package. And look at these cute little handmade pinwheels. I've been meaning to make some of these. I think Tony, was it Tony? I think Tony made some. And they're so freaking cute. You guys, I've been meaning to make so much stuff, but it's just like, I need more time. I really do. Hand-dyed seam binding. Interesting. Let's see. I don't want to ruin it because I don't have no pictures. Nikki, you totally made my day. Wow, look how pretty, you guys. And it's hand-dyed. Wow, look at that, and the little packaging. You guys know I love me some trim. These are beautiful. I love them. Oh, look. Oh my God, I really do think she made the piñata. I think she handmade the piñata. Look at these little embellishments. They're the little watermelons, and they look exactly like the piñata. Girl, you are talented. And look at these, also handmade embellishments, little envelopes. Oh man, this is so cute. You guys, when I get handmade embellishments, I don't know if it's just you or if it's just me, let me say. I don't open them. I save them. I have like a basket filled with all handmade embellishments that are sent to me. I love to look at them and like just skim through them and see all the beautiful things that you guys send to me. It's just like so fun. These are adorable. I love that little camera. So cute. And then we have two, I think I'm right. Yep. These two little gifties. And I'm a little sad because I didn't take a picture. Ooh. Okay. We're going to have to try to figure this out here. I'm going to open it, but I'm kind of sad I didn't take a picture. But it's like, how can I take a picture and then like not like sneak peek? So I'm going to try to open it where I don't like ruin it. I'll do it with the blade right here, so that I can kind of like reseal it back. I haven't eaten all day, you guys, and I have some serious shaking going on. Because when I haven't eaten, I get really shaky. I know. It's horrible to wait that long, but I hate eating when I'm not hungry. Okay, I'm gonna have to rip it. What is this? Pastry shop. What is this? Watermelon splash scented. Oh, it's a popsicle soap. Look how cute this is. I've never seen this. And it's watermelon scent. She has like the whole watermelon theme going on here. I love that. That is like my favorite. I love watermelon in the summertime. It's like, I love it so much. So does my daughter and my wife as well. Watermelon is like our thing. We love to have the fridge stocked with watermelon. It's so funny because like we don't know how to pick out a watermelon, so like we like wing it. We just watch what everybody else does in the supermarket. We've even had situations where we like ask someone else to pick the watermelon for us because we're like clueless how to pick a watermelon. I know you have to like tap it or something, right? But I like the real juicy red ones. Let's see what we have here. How cute is this paper? Let's see. I see a bunch of gold shred. Place this under your glue gun to catch hot glue. Oh, it's a cute little tray. Oh, I love the color. I see it already. Where's my scissors? Nikki, this package is amazing. And I absolutely love your cute little notes. Isn't this adorable? Look at this, you guys. How cute. I don't know if I'm going to use this for hot glue. I think I'm going to use this for like cute little embellishments when I take pictures on my Instagram. It's too cute for hot glue. Oh my God, I love this. This is an amazing package. Girl, thank you so much for this amazing summer package. It has totally made my day. Totally made me smile from ear to ear. I think my cheeks hurt from smiling so much. I cannot wait to put this up. It's amazing. I hope you watch this video. And thank you so much. And you guys, that's it for my video. Go check Nikki out. She's amazing. She's talented. Hello, look at this package. I'm gonna go eat my dinner and then eat some yummy candies. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.